how well the audio is going to be, but we are going to walk over to Downtown Spirits and get a beer or a six. I'm thinking a 6-pack. You know, just it's a weekend. Oh yeah, we're gonna go and walk down there. So let's do that. I thought that worked. Welcome. This is the beer review of Lawnmower Lager. So, as I said, welcome. It is 3.9%, very low, and it is incredibly crushable. I'm just going to get that out the way. Go grab yourself your own Lawnmower Lager and have a beer with me. Get started off by just throwing this guy in here. See what the color is. I obviously have had a couple of drinks of this already, so not much there. Oh. Looks like I might have a little bit of a dirty glass. Oh well, that's okay. Very straw color. Very clear, very light. It's pretty much exactly what I figured it would be. Smells like straw, maltiness, but very light maltiness. Let's give her a taste here. Oh, let's try to chug it. Let's see if I can chug this. Normally that's not my thing, but at 3.9%, I think I can easily crush this. So, if you're into chugging, cheers. Fuck.
A few moments later.
Well, that was beer 2. Ugh. Not my thing. Holy shit. Alright, so we got beer number 2. 3, whatever you want to consider it at this point. And yeah. How are you liking it? Do you like your beer? This one's pretty good. Again, 3.9, not much to talk about. It's a lager. It's a good one. I think this beer would be perfect for if you are just wanting to hang out. Like I said earlier, it's the holiday, so you just want to drink some beer. Here you go. You're not gonna get wasted, and you won't get. You might get drunk, maybe. We'll see after the 6th one. I'll update this. Yeah, it's smooth, light. Honestly, refreshing. It's pretty refreshing. it is a perfect beer to play video games to. Like if you wanted to play like a little bit of Lawnmower Simulator, that wouldn't be a bad game to play with this, lawnmower lager. Or just hanging out with the bros, whatever it be. This is a beer for that time. Whenever you don't want to just like taste anything, you just want to drink some beer with the homies, this is a perfect beer for that. So for that reason, I think I can give this beer, honestly, like a 4. As simple as it is, this isn't that bad. It's like $10, I think it was, for the 6-pack. Not bad. And it's still a little bit better than your typical Bud Light. Yeah, and it's not supporting a macro brand, so that's cool. With that all being said, that's the end of this review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like. Tell me your favorite part of it. Did you like some of the B-roll or the me walking there or whatever? Tell me. Leave a comment down below. Try to make it better. And subscribe, yeah. Also, if you're just getting really crazy, you can go to 30rackinc.com and check out all the cool merch we have there. But that's only if you're feeling extra crazy. Cheers.